we go to this website from makerworld.com and we click the customize. So we can make the ring here like this. We make place to 5, keep this by default, diameter is okay, and the height 8 millimeter is okay. For thickness, for PLA material, I recommend the minimum thickness is 1 millimeter, but for PETG, I can make it more thinner, like 0.8 millimeter. That will make the PETG more thinner and lighter. We press generate, then it becomes what we want. Now we download the STL. Then in Blender, we press A to select all, X and delete everything. Then we drag the STL into Blender. Import STL. It will be at the center by default. So here we Shift A at the mesh cylinder vertex, make it 96. Radius we make it 11, and depth make it 9. Okay. Now we select this, add modifier, generate Boolean difference, and we select this cylinder. Apply. We remove this. Now we Shift A, mesh cylinder. Radius we make it 12.5. And depth we make it 8. Okay. Into edit mode. Select top nose only. E for extrude, right click, then we S to shrink them inside. Here we can input the ratio. I want it to 0.88 and 0.88, and they I want it to be 1, so there's no change. Okay, so why is number 0.88? See, I want to get this for the inner diameter, so I use this ratio. Hold Alt key and click here to select the inside circle. E and move down the mouse, and here make it -7. Okay. Then we E, right click, and S for scale. Okay, here we turn on the face here and turn on this magnet. So we E and make it on this surface. It's okay. Okay, now we can select them both. File, Export, STL. give it a name. So in the Bamboo Lab, we drag STL inside it. Give it a PETG material